Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I bring you unbiased and comprehensive reviews of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of circular saws, and I'll be sharing my top 5 picks for 2023. If you're a woodworking enthusiast or a dyer looking to make precise and clean cuts, you're in for a treat. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information and exclusive discounts. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our upcoming reviews. Let's jump right into it. Starting at number 5, the Luo Electric Circular Saw is a wireless cutting tool powered by a rechargeable 20V lithium battery. With its brushless motor, this circular saw delivers reliable performance and a no-load speed of 6,800 revolutions per minute, ensuring efficient and precise cutting. The 125mm blade diameter and a maximum cutting depth of 64mm make it suitable for a variety of woodworking applications. Designed for commercial manufacture, this circular saw offers a wattage range of 800 W to 999 W, providing ample power for demanding tasks. Its lightweight construction, weighing only 3.45 kilograms, enhances portability and maneuverability, reducing fatigue during extended use. The saw's compact size and wireless functionality make it convenient to use in various work environments. The Luo Electric Circular Saw's suitability for woodworking applications is further enhanced by its ability to cut a maximum width of 125mm. This allows for versatile cutting tasks, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a power source of 20V battery, users can enjoy cordless freedom while experiencing consistent and efficient performance. In conclusion, the Luo Electric Circular Saw is a reliable and multifunctional cutting tool. Its brushless motor, lightweight design, cordless operation, and ample cutting capabilities make it a great choice for users seeking a portable and efficient circular saw for woodworking tasks. At number 4, the Weber Circular Saw is a professional-grade rotary cutter designed specifically for cutting fabric, cotton, leather, and crafts. With its high-quality, sharp steel blades, this circular saw delivers precise and durable cutting performance. The adoption of an advanced servo motor as the power system, along with direct-drive dureless transmission, ensures an extended tool lifespan. Ergonomics plays a significant role in the design of this fabric cutter. The handle features a comfortable and ergonomic design, making it easy to hold and operate. The miniature high-torque drive blades and non-reduction gearing enhance the motor's energy efficiency. The outer cover of the blade comes with a protective cover, providing safety and preventing accidental injuries. Moreover, the miniature high-torque servo motor eliminates carbon brush sparks, making it suitable for use in flame-restricted environments. The Weber Circular Saw incorporates a sharpening stone device, allowing for easy blade maintenance without disassembling the unit. This saves time and ensures the tool remains sharp for optimal cutting results. It finds wide application in the garment, umbrella, and shoemaking industries, making it an essential tool for professionals. From cotton and wool to silk, chemical fiber, leather, and other fabrics, this electric fabric cutter excels in delivering clean and precise cuts. In summary, the Weber Circular Saw is a premium quality rotary cutter suitable for fabric-related industries. Its sharp blades, ergonomic design, high safety performance, and wide range of applications make it an excellent choice for professionals seeking efficient and accurate cutting solutions. At number 3, the Hitachi Cordless Circular Saw is a versatile cutting tool suitable for home DIY projects. Powered by an 18V4 0Ah rechargeable battery, it offers a high speed of 3,500 RPM, enabling efficient cutting of various materials. This circular saw comes with 3 blades, including a 24 TTCT blade for wood, a 60 THS blade for plastic, and a diamond blade for tile, providing versatility for different cutting needs. One of the key features of this saw is its adjustable cutting depth and angle. The cutting angle can be adjusted from 0 to 45 degrees, allowing for bevel cuts, while the maximum cutting depth reaches 48 millimeters in the vertical position and 32 millimeters at a 45-degree angle. The circular saw also incorporates a laser guide for precise cutting and a cutting guide for fast and straight cuts. The inclusion of a Class II laser ensures accurate alignment without the limitations of a power cord. In terms of safety and ergonomics, the Hitachi Cordless Circular Saw features a double protective switch and metal gear guards to prevent accidental operation. The soft rubber non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the saw includes a suction adapter to minimize dust splashes, creating a cleaner working environment. Overall, the Hitachi Cordless Circular Saw is a reliable and convenient tool for DIY enthusiasts. Its powerful motor, adjustable cutting options, safety features, and portability make it a valuable addition to any home workshop. At number 2, the DeWalt DCS578B Circular Saw is a powerful cordless cutting tool designed for commercial manufacturing purposes. With up to 47% more power compared to its predecessor, the DCS575, this circular saw ensures efficient and precise cutting. It uses a 7:1/4-inch cordless circular saw blade and boasts a maximum cut depth of 2 to 9/16 inches at a 90-degree bevel. This compact circular saw provides a maximum bevel capacity of 57 degrees, along with bevel stops at 22, 5, and 45 degrees, allowing for versatile cutting angles. The integrated electric brake ensures blade stoppage quickly after releasing the trigger, enhancing safety. Furthermore, the built-in LED improves visibility, enabling accurate cuts even in low-light conditions. For added convenience, the DeWalt DCS578B features an integrated rafter hook, providing easy storage between cuts. With its exceptional power, precise cutting capabilities, and user-friendly features, the DeWalt DCS578B Circular Saw is an ideal choice for professionals in woodworking and related industries. It delivers reliable performance, durability, and enhanced safety, making it a valuable tool for demanding applications. At number 1, the Luo Electric Circular Saw is a versatile cutting tool suitable for various materials such as solid wood, PVC, MDF, plywood, stone, and ceramic tiles. Its brushless motor with an outer rotor ensures reliable performance, even in high-temperature and humid environments, enhancing the motor's lifespan. The circular saw features a 165 mm saw blade diameter and a cutting depth ranging from 39 mm to 59 mm. One notable feature of this saw is its angle-cutting double-locking mechanism, which guarantees stability during operation. The ergonomic handle design reduces fatigue and allows for easy control. Compared to similar products on the market, this circular saw provides deeper cuts while maintaining a compact body, ensuring comfortable operation and safer wireless functionality. Additionally, the Luo Electric Circular Saw offers convenient and accurate angle adjustment for tilt cutting, enabling chamfering from 0 to 50 degrees, with quick adjustment options at 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, and 50 degrees angles. Overall, the Luo Electric Circular Saw is a reliable and efficient cutting tool suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Its excellent cutting capabilities, ergonomic design, and brushless motor make it a solid choice for a wide range of applications. Thank you for watching our product review video. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.